In January, the Board of Mayor and Aldermen unanimously approved a resolution supporting the restoration of the historical revenue-sharing relationship between the state of Tennessee and local governments pertaining to the state shared sales tax and the single article cap sales tax. The BMA took this action as municipalities across the state joined forces with the Tennessee Municipal League to restore the 1947 arrangement in which the state began sharing 4.6% of each year's total sales tax collections with cities for the purpose of recognizing the collective contribution of cities as the state's economic engine.
Hello, Germantown. Mike Palazzolo, your mayor here. Today I need your help. You may be aware there's a couple of bills in the state legislature that could impact Germantown. They're very important to you and me, and here's why. State shared sales tax could be reformed and sent back to Germantown. We stand to collect somewhere between $600,000 and $700,000 if two bills are passed in the Tennessee state legislature. What does that mean to you and me? That means upwards of a dozen police cruisers, a new ambulance, a way to buy a fire truck, pave roads, improve drainage. All those things are so important to you and me. So I need your help, Germantown. We'll tell you how to contact your local representative in Nashville, and together we can make this happen. As always, thank you for allowing me to be your mayor, and thank you for making Germantown your home.
Residents who support the BMA's recent resolution may contact their respective state representatives and senators by email.